What is going on, everybody? Kevin here with Good Earth Water Gardens, and today we're at our showroom and we're doing a little renovation on our small pond. This was a feature that we kind of put together at the last minute right before one of our pond parties. It's due for a little bit of a facelift. This is going to have a much different look when we're all finished with it here. The guys are working on deconstructing the original water feature, and we're going to go ahead and actually fill this thing completely back in and dig out our new shelves and pond shape from scratch. So we've got a little bit of demoing and prep work before we start the construction side of things, but hopefully we should be able to get the majority of this thing demoed out and reconstructed, and then finish up with the waterfall and any finishing touches tomorrow. As you can see here, we have our pond completely torn out and stripped down to the bare dirt again, and most people think that we can just go ahead and reshape and start digging off the edge of this and create the shape and size of pond we want. But the way we want to do this, because we're going to be reconfiguring a lot of the heights of the shelves and just the way everything goes, in order for us to get nice clean shelves, we're actually going to fill this entire hole back in with dirt, compact it really well, get it pretty much back to level with the ground, and then we will remark our pond and excavate from there. Well, we are coming along here. We are working on rocking in the pond right now, and we start with our lower section, work our way around, use some of our larger rocks, and then fill in between with smaller pieces, work our way up to the top shelf, fill that all in as we go. On the top shelf is where you're gonna see a lot more of these rocks actually coming out of the water. So we're gonna use some of our better looking pieces that have some character to it and a little bit of size, showcases some of the nicer pieces around the edge of the pond. And then we're gonna use a lot of our big rocks up in the waterfall and around the outcroppings as well. It's day 2. We are finishing up on renovating the small pond here at our showroom. We're about to get started. The guys are on their way with the rest of the materials and some of the things that we need to move a little ways to go. We are finishing with the last few rocks around the top edge of the pond and working our way up into the waterfall and stream area. We have an aerator we need to install, as well as some lights still. Finishing up with the dirt work and outcroppings, and maybe even get this thing mulched. We're gonna go ahead and jump into things here and see what we can get done today. We're getting everything all filled up here and doing the finishing touches, getting ready to turn it all on and see what this waterfall looks like. But yeah, things have gone very well, and we are wrapping up the end of the day here. We'll have some finishing touches to take care of at another date, but I'm gonna go ahead and finish up our last few little details here, and then we'll flip you around and show you what we have. As always, if you like seeing awesome content like this and you want to check out more videos as they come about, make sure you like the video, hit that subscribe button, leave us a comment down below, and we will see you guys on the next one.
Oh, he's so strong! Look at that, he just ripped that rock apart. Into like a million pieces. David's just so buff.